July 17th. We're going to be a two-part one-day session. First part's going to be all about discover your Facebook gold mine. That's going to be a hands-on workshop from 9 to 12, and then we're going to provide lunch to you from 12 to 12:30. That session right there has generated over 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent, an $8.25 million buyer for another agent in 30 minutes, and 147 leads in a matter of minutes for another agent. This is a class you do not want to miss. It is also open to all business owners. We had a bridal shop owner attend this class, and by the end of the session, she had $85,000 worth of booked business. So what you need to do is not only bring yourself, but then also reach back into your database, call the top 10 most influential people in your database that own their own business, and invite them to this session. Then in the afternoon, we are going to be doing Become Google Great. Again, open to all business owners, so invite everybody. This session, I have had multiple agents attend. They'll come back a year or so later and they'll tell me that they have made over an extra $100,000 annually to their bottom line from the techniques that are taught in this class. Best part about it, both sessions, they are hands-on. So not only will you be able to learn it, but you're going to be able to apply it right there in the class. It's going to be at 2000 Northwest 150th Avenue, Pembroke Pines, Florida. Registration information is down below, and I will see you guys on July 17th from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. for the most powerful workshop you're going to attend all season.